Good morning. Hope everyone's having a good week. Good work thus far, handing in the first few assessments for civics. Just wanted to check in and let you know that unlike careers, we'll be looking at factual information and history, which makes up the Canadian civic system. In marking your assignment, some of you are referencing American data, which is fine, but please keep in mind that it is a Canadian course and you should pull data that is within context of Canadian information. Again, let me reiterate that unlike the careers course where it was subjective and about yourself and opinions and what have you, there will be a lot of assessments that are going to be made up of knowing facts and information, definitions, etc. So keep that in mind, please, when constructing your assignments, as I had to give some feedback to many of you in terms of the different levels of government and what they are responsible for. So keep that in mind when you're taking your quizzes, writing your assignments, and participating in discussion forums. That's all for now. If you have any questions or concerns, please email me, and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. All right, have a good day.